Scraping business directories like YellowPages seems simple until you hit Cloudflare blocks or IP bans or mid-run crash that lost all your progress. Here is how I built an enterprise-grade Python bot that solves these exact problems, running seamlessly on both Windows and macOS. To bypass strict anti-bot systems, the bot is powered by Playwright and Camoufox, a specialized stealth browser. Uh, Instead of basic header modification, it performs real-time TLS fingerprint spoofing and paste context level JavaScript rendering. Combined with dynamic IP rotation, the bot behaves exactly like a real human browser to Cloudflare. So no bot detection, no block is present. Was it in action? The scrapper navigates search result page by page, crawls individual profiles, and cleans the unstructured data. Even better, it features an intelligent state tracking resume function. If the script is stopped or interrupted, it picks up exactly where it left off. No lost data, no duplicates. Uh, just run the scrapper again. The final result is a clean, structured database ready for your sales funnel or analytics. If you need custom, high-performance web scraper that can bypass modern anti-bot protection, check out my contact detail in the description below. I'm also available on Upwork and Fiverr.